good morning. It is literally 7:25, so about to be 7:30, and I am up. Today is the start of vlog week. We are doing a whole entire vlog week, so if you like watching my vlogs or my content, definitely, watch my videos. I feel like I'm half asleep, but I just took a body shower. I didn't wash my hair because I wanted to do a slick back, but I wanted to do my makeup. Today is not super busy. Let me show you all my planner. I already have it packed up and ready to go because we gotta go in maybe 30-ish minutes. But today we're gonna go stop for coffee, then we have church classes for what is it called? RCIA. Then we're gonna wash the car. We were planning on mowing the lawn and attaching the lawn, but we're gonna do that tomorrow because our attacher arrives pretty late tonight. So then I also need to just do a couple of things inside, as far as mop, clean the carpet, and so on. And then Matthew was planning on cooking out, so making some sausage. And tomorrow, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's sausage because he took out a roast from the freezer, but I'm pretty sure that's something we're gonna do tomorrow on Sunday. So yeah, I feel like it's relaxing, not a whole lot going on, but it's still more than what we normally do, if I'm being honest. Usually we'll allow ourselves to do things outside of the house, and this time around we don't have a lot of that. I do know we're probably gonna go thrifting or go to the oh shoot, my bag almost fell. But maybe we'll go to, there's a little shop that has stuff that small businesses make, either small creators or whatever the case may be. But anyways, I wanted to do a little bit of makeup, not a whole lot, because obviously I don't really need a whole lot to just go to church right now, but I still wanted to do something. So maybe just a little bit of foundation, mascara, and some blush. So I always wet my brush. I'm actually thinking about just fast forwarding through this so you don't have to watch me do this. Also because I feel like today's gonna be a little busy, that I don't want to just keep y'all waiting, if I'm being honest. So okay, that's good. I feel like I need to get a big mirror. Anyways, I'll skip through this. Whatever, it looks fine. So one thing that I struggle with, and I actually saw a video of somebody talking about it, is that I should probably buy a waterproof mascara. So one thing that I have problems with is even after I curl my eyelashes, as soon as they have mascara on, they're straight. They just can't hold a curl. But that being said, my hair is extremely straight. It's stick straight. When I was in high school, everybody would hate on me because everybody was at that time obviously straightening their hair and making it look stick straight, and there I was just showing up to school without straightening it. It was the easiest thing, honestly. I got a little bit of mascara back here. All right, good enough for me. Whatever. Maybe I should just recurl her one more time. Absolutely not. I feel like it made it worse. Whatever. You know what? We'll just wear my glasses. Not that I wasn't planning on doing so, but one thing I am gonna do is pack some of this. Okay, whatever. I think it's good enough. I usually most of the time don't even wear makeup, but I wanted to just because I am trying to work on like my appearance and just feeling better, looking better, whatever. And that's kind of the goal. So let's go ahead and, I think Matthew's awake. I heard noise over there, but it's about to be 8 o'clock. So we definitely need to get going. So I'm just going to get dressed so we can, you know.
I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us.
So I got the sugar-free caramelizer. I'm actually laughing because I just said all of this and I wasn't recording. What a fail. But the sugar-free caramelizer, pretty excited to try it. This is my first time getting it. I would assume it's pretty sweet. Usually anything caramel is pretty sweet, even if it's sugar-free. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And then I'll put what Matthew got on the screen because he has a whole order. He's gotten it ever since a barista suggested it to us. And it comes with white coffee, which white coffee is a little bit stronger than regular coffee. So yeah, it's pretty good. But yeah, we got coffee and now we're on the way to church. So we made it out of church. I feel like it took forever, but we made it. We're here. We actually came to Buffalo Exchange. We just wanted to like look around, kind of see what they have. I feel like when it comes to thrifting, you like definitely just got to shop around, not expecting to find anything, and then maybe you'll find something. But yeah, let's go check it out. It says everything's $8 or less, so that's good. So let's go in, figure it out. So now we're at Thrift City because we found nothing at Buffalo Exchange. No, I'm lying. I bought shoes and the shoes are really cute. So I'm excited for that.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
Alright guys, so if you hear weird noises, it's because Matthew's outside filling up like a bucket with water, but it cut me off, I'm pretty sure, because I ran out of storage on my memory card, so I had to like empty it out. So I got this little cardigan at Thrift City. It's really cute. I figured I could wear this with like some black pants or something casual. Even the black pants that I was wearing today, I don't think I showed them to y'all, but they're kind of like cargo pants in a way. I don't know, they're kind of like loose fitted. They're really cute. I like them. I like them more than anything because they're comfortable. And then I also found these little shoes at Buffalo Exchange. I thought they were so cute, perfect for summer, honestly, and I don't feel as like lazy or like, I guess you can say like casual if I wear these instead of wearing like sandals. So I really like them, and I think they look cute actually with even this cardigan. So I may wear this to church. So I may have to wash this cardigan and I can wear it to church with black pants because I think we're going, well, we have to go to church tomorrow. I'm not sure if we're going to go to the church we're going to class at or if we're going to go to a church that's closer to my home. But either way, I'll probably bring you along for that because I'm probably going to be recording all weekend. But we honestly don't have anything else going on. Matthew is actually outside, literally like right outside. I can see him right now out the window, but he is... We have like an ant pile at the front of the house and we want to try to get rid of that, try to take care of it before we mow the lawn. And it's now starting to be like springtime, you can say, here in San Antonio. Like the weather is getting really nice. So we want to work on the lawn. The backyard looks terrible. Like there's like, I wouldn't say like a ton of weeds, but there's definitely weeds that we need to handle. So that's like really the goal for this season, but I will catch up with y'all in a little bit. Matthew's about to come inside, so anyways, I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Oh, whatever, you never want my opinion.
I just asked for it. What do you mean I never want it?
You always like change your mind to something else.
Sometimes.
Yeah, exactly, period. I win. All right, you guys, so we just got back. We just took a quick little trip. I needed, so I don't necessarily need it, but this morning I did my makeup and I noticed that my mascara was like not, I don't know, it just wasn't looking right. It wasn't holding a curl. Like, and that has a lot to do with my eyelashes. Like, my hair is like super, super, super straight, and thus my eyelashes are extremely straight. So I went to Ulta. I saw somebody on TikTok recommend the Essence mascara, but the waterproof one. Apparently, the waterproof one makes the eyelashes hold the curl a little bit better. So we'll see about that. But the other thing that I got, I love these little, I love trinkets. It's just like, it makes me happy. So I bought a calico critter at Five Below. The Five Below is literally right next door. I think there's like a Skechers in between there or something like that. So let's see who we got. Okay, hold on. First, let's take a look at our options. Oh, I'm pretty sure I have this one. So there's like a ton of little options. I kind of would love Barkley, which is this one. Or, I mean, I like them all. They're also cute. Whatever. Let's take a look. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, cute. Okay, we got Katie. Is it Katie? Wait, I don't know which one. Because she's wearing like yellow. Wait a minute. Did I just... It's not the baby. What... I think I got the secret. Oh, no. Wait. I think I did, Matthew.
Yeah, because this goes on.
I got the secret!
Yeah, because I'm 95% certain this goes on his head and that would look like...
Can you hand that to me, please? I've never gotten a secret of anything.
And that would look like that.
Yeah. Show the camera.
This one.
That one. So it comes with like 2 parts. If I could open it. Ugh. I've never gotten a secret of anything. Like, I always like buy little surprise bags and boxes and whatnot, and I never get a secret. I always get like the most common ones. And this is like my first secret. I'm super excited.
It was the last one too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was the last one. It's like it has a brain or something. Like, oh my gosh. It's like it snaps on. It's like a little hat. I'm so dead. Look at him. How funny. It looks like he has like a bubble head. Like anyways, I'm super excited. I can't wait to put him in like my office on my shelf with all my trinkets. Ah, that's so cute. Let's see. Oh yeah, it gives you the instructions of how to put it on, but it's pretty self-explanatory. The other, let's see what the chances were on this, or does it even tell me? I don't think it does. So yeah, these are all the ones that I could have gotten, but I ended up getting the secret, which is right here. Cute. How exciting. I'm super happy I got it. And it was the last one in the box. So I got the last one. That means everybody else probably got the basic one. Anyways, I'm going to just hang out, honestly, if there's not much else to do. So I'm just going to hang out with my little secret calico critter. And I think I'm going to save this so I can put it in my planner. Because I think that would be really fun to like remember that I got a little secret. But I'm only going to keep the front part that has all the little characters. So I'm going to keep that there. And I actually have my planner down here somewhere. Oh, but I don't have my glue stick, so I'll have to wait till I go upstairs. Anyways, that's all. Time for church. Today is the next day. It is Sunday. And we are getting ready. I feel like the lighting's crazy. And we are getting ready for church. So I'm wearing the top that I got at the thrift store, just a black shirt, so I have a button right here, and then some black jeans, and then I'm gonna wear the sandals that I bought yesterday, so I'm like, perfect. Yeah, we're getting ready. We're about to head out in probably like 20 minutes or so, probably less, and head out to church because it starts at 8:30. It's super early. All right, you guys, so really quick before I have to go upstairs and get dressed, we just got home from church. Obviously I'm like still dressed up, but we have to, this was unplanned for, but Matthew's uncle and dad are gonna go fishing, and they invited us to go fishing. I don't fish, but I figured I could go for the memories, for the fun. But something fun came in. Oh my god. My jelly cat. Matthew had bought me a jelly cat for Valentine's Day, and he's here. He's a little dragon. Look at him, how cute is he? Adorable. I can't wait to put him on my bookshelf. And then I also got, go potty, Caesar. Go outside. Go. Go. Go outside. Come on, buddy. Caesar. No, he turned around. He'll go in a little bit. But I also bought a cup because this is the Owala cup. Look how cute she is. It's pink. But this is an Owala like little tumbler that I can use for like coffee or matcha or really whatever. And it's leak proof. So it says a leak proof slider, press down to release pressure, then slide forward to open. So yay, I'm pretty excited about this. And this is actually perfect because we're gonna go fishing and I can take this with me with like some coffee. So yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to update you all on that because I need to get dressed and get ready to go. So I'll talk to you in a bit. Jeez, all the crazy road.
Should we go this way or this way? I don't see them yet.
I don't see them yet, so keep going. Why are you hitting me? It's abuse, Matthew.
The white SUV is parked that way.
Oh, you know what? You're up at a really
Matthew, can I tell you? I made you wait and I didn't get it.
Okay, he lost the bait anyway.
Oh, so he has to reel it back in?
No, he's fine.
Oh.
He has I bought him for like 33 cents.
My little camera. Just don't hit me.
Hopefully this is just as good as the last one.
That's embarrassing. I'm gonna post that.
No.
You don't watch my videos anyways, you will never know.
Yeah, the little flip gears and the other one.
I don't know, they were getting rushed. They were old. I've had them for years, dude.
Oh, my taste fell off my tip.
Alright you guys, so we just made it home. Clearly there's like a huge difference as to how I look now versus how I looked earlier because I'm exhausted. I'm so tired, but we had such a fun time. There was absolutely no fish, but it was super windy. I think that might have played a part in that. I'm not exactly sure. I don't really fish. I didn't fish. Matthew did though. But we made it home safe and sound. I took a shower because it was like so windy to the point that like all this dust would fly on us. It was insane. I did read a couple of chapters in my book. I read like 2 or 3 chapters of my book and then people started talking to me and I was like, well, I can't do this. But it was still so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. I enjoyed spending time with family, so that was really good. But anyways, I wanted to close out the vlog here. I don't think I got like a whole ton of footage, but I figured it's a good way to start the vlog week. If you don't know, I'm gonna do a vlog week, which is like kind of what I do during like Vlogmas of like posting every single day until like Christmas Day, but instead of that, it's just gonna be a vlog week every single month. So I'm gonna vlog the entire week from Monday to Sunday, and maybe it won't be like a vlog every day, but it'll be like a planner video or like other videos that I can like pre-plan, but there's gonna be a video every single day this week. So I hope you'll join me for that. So I love you guys. I'll see y'all later. In the comments, can y'all comment a pink emoji? Any kind of pink emoji, just a pink emoji. It can be a heart, it can be a pink butterfly, whatever you want, just something pink. Love you guys. Talk to y'all tomorrow.